In this video, we listed the 5 best laptop stands that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. LAPGEAR Home Lap Desk. The LAPGEAR Lap Desk is a versatile and comfortable solution for on-the-go laptop use, featuring a spacious design that accommodates laptops up to 15.6 inches with dimensions of 21.1 inch WX12 DX 2.6 H. Crafted with a microbead cushion for enhanced comfort, it includes an integrated mousepad, 5x9, and a built-in phone slot, making it ideal for multitasking during work or video calls. The lap desk's espresso wood grain finish not only adds a stylish touch but also ensures a durable surface that provides optimal air circulation to prevent overheating. Weighing only 2.14 pounds and equipped with a convenient handle, this lightweight lap desk is easy to transport, making it perfect for both travel and home use while allowing for a stable and cool working environment. Number 2. Urmust Laptop Stand. The Urmust Ergonomic Notebook Stand is a versatile and adjustable tower-style stand designed to enhance comfort and productivity while using laptops and tablets. Available in a sleek bee silver color, it features an ergonomic design that allows for angle adjustments from 0 degrees to 90 degrees, promoting better posture and reducing the risk of cervical and spinal injuries during prolonged use. Constructed from durable aluminum alloy, the stand is not only rust-proof and scratch-resistant but also incorporates a ventilation hollow design to aid in cooling devices and prevent overheating. With a sturdy build that supports up to 8.8 pounds per kilograms, it ensures stability for a wide range of laptops and tablets, including popular models from brands like Apple, Dell, and Lenovo. The foldable design facilitates easy storage and portability, while the integrated storage groove provides a convenient space for accessories such as phones, USB drives, and stationery. Suitable for various settings, including offices, libraries, and coffee shops, the Urmust stand is an ideal gift for students and teachers alike, making it a practical addition to any workspace. Number 3. HUANUO Laptop Stand. The HUANUO adjustable laptop stand is a versatile and ergonomic solution designed to enhance the workspace for users of tablets and laptops. This tower-style stand features a height adjustment range of 3.5 to 16.5 inches, enabling users to easily transition between sitting and standing positions for improved posture. With 9 adjustable angles, it caters to diverse user preferences, ensuring maximum comfort and support. Crafted for durability, the stand accommodates notebooks up to 15.6 inches and is constructed from sturdy steel with a non-slip padding bar and an MDF platform to ensure stability and protect devices from damage. Moreover, its user-friendly design allows for quick installation in under 2 minutes, making it a convenient option for modern work environments. Number 4. Lamicall Swivel Laptop Stand. The Lamicall Silver Swivel Laptop Stand is a versatile and ergonomic solution designed to accommodate a wide range of devices, including various models of MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, Microsoft Surface Pro, and other laptops and tablets up to 17 inches. This stand boasts a 360-degree swivel feature, allowing users to easily adjust their screen position for optimal viewing angles while promoting better posture by elevating the laptop to eye level, thereby reducing back and neck strain. Constructed from premium alloy, it offers stability and security with rubber pads to prevent slipping and protect device surfaces from scratches. Additionally, the design facilitates airflow to help keep laptops cool during use. Ideal for home, office, or on-the-go settings, the adjustable nature of this stand makes it perfect for watching videos, attending online classes, or conducting meetings, ensuring convenience and comfort in any environment. Number 5. Nulaxy Adjustable Laptop Stand. The Nulaxy A Silver Laptop Riser Stand is an ergonomic and versatile accessory designed to enhance your workspace by providing adjustable height options up to 10.6 inches for optimal viewing angles, promoting better posture and reducing neck and spine discomfort. Constructed from high-quality aluminum alloy, this sturdy stand can support laptops weighing up to 11 pounds, featuring silicone strips for a secure grip and anti-slip pads for added stability. Its upgraded design includes dual wider support legs and a thicker base plate for improved durability, while the ventilated hollow design aids in heat dissipation, keeping your device cool. Weighing only 1.76 pounds, the foldable and portable stand is easy to transport, making it ideal for use in various settings such as schools, offices, or coffee shops. Compatible with a wide range of devices, including laptops from 10 to 15.7 inches, tablets, and iPads, the Nulaxy laptop riser stand seamlessly accommodates various brands like MacBook, Dell, HP, and more, making it a practical addition to any tech setup.